every human being has to spend little time in experiencing higher consciousness, especially before entering into the life, before 21. Even incarnations. See the life of Parasurama. See the life of Sri Krishna. See the life of Rama. Rama goes to Vasishta and learns Yoga Vasishtam. Parasurama goes to Dattatreya and learns the science of enlightenment. Krishna goes to Shantipa, learns the science of enlightenment. We have an unfortunate misunderstanding and fear. If our kids go to Gurukul and learn the science of enlightenment, they may just become sannyasis, move out of life. No. Krishna did not move out of life. Rama did not move out of life. Parasurama did not move out of life. Parasurama was killing people left and right. Rama was ruling the country. And what all Krishna did, you know. None of them became sannyasis. Gurukul is not a place where you are asked to move out of life. You are sharpened, prepared to move into the life. To catch your prarabdha. Understand this small story. One person had his computer loaded with various softwares. Photoshop, Windows, so many. He locked his house and went away for a trip. Came back after 2 years. Unfortunately, he forgot what all the software he has in his computer. He got his computer back, but he doesn't know what all the softwares he has downloaded. He is trying to do different activities which he can't do the software which he has already downloaded. If he is trying to do a different activity other than the softwares available, he will never be successful. He can break his head and break his computer, break his keyboard, break his hard disk, break his motherboard, break his computer table, break the house itself. But he can't be successful. You need to know, he needs to remember the softwares available in his computer. Only then he can do whatever activities he wants to. Only then he can even plan to download the softwares which he does not have. I tell you, your body is your computer. Your long trip is your death and new birth. Your softwares are prarabdha. If you don't know your prarabdha, you can neither achieve nor plan for your further future. You may be trying so many things, nothing works out. I tell you, without the knowledge of prarabdha, anything you try will never work out Sometime it may work out like an accident, not as a fulfillment. So learning the science of the softwares available and learning to download the softwares from the internet, learning to upgrade yourself is what is usually done in Gurukuls. When you come back from the long trip, first your Guru does, making you understand your prarabdha, the softwares which already exist in your computer. Then teaching you the science of downloading new softwares required to fulfill your life. If you want to do something new, then next, upgrading your old softwares. Then finally, supporting you to fulfill your prarabdha. Just like Buddhism, in Buddhism, it is mandatory every human being goes through science of enlightenment before he enters regular life. Same way, every child should go through the science of enlightenment in Hinduism also before he enters the regular life. We need Gurukuls in every village. We need Gurukuls in every city. We need Gurukuls in every taluk, teaching the science of enlightenment, teaching the truths of enlightenment. When one has restrained the thought patterns and is free from the longing for all the desires and remains absorbed in oneself, then he is experiencing higher consciousness. Every child should go through this. Every child should go through. It is very unfortunate when people go against their prarabdha and destroy their life. If you understand these great truths in the very young age, you don't even need a master physically. Your own intuition will be so vibrant and alive